Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time I think we're gonna go extreme. It's not the X game, but it's gonna be the X game of painting, that's for sure. We're gonna try something that we did before, which is using white glue. But this time I bought a very big container of white glue. The purpose of it will be that I'm gonna put very little acrylic, but a lot of white glue, which we knew from the experience we did a long time ago, that white glue can be used to form smaller cells, smaller than when you use silicone, let's say. But I think it's going to be nice. Like I said, I'm going to use a very extreme quantity of white glue, and I'm going to put just a little bit of alcohol in our mix. So I'm sure it's going to be great though, but I'm not quite sure what it's going to be like. But the only thing, I think it's going to have some kind of incidence on the result, because I'm going to use a recycled painting that we did a long time ago, and this one I did use some oil. It was very nice using oil, but if you use too much, it has the tendency not to dry. It stay almost always sticky. Not everywhere, but it was a bit sticky. I had to put 1 coat of gesso and 2 coats of acrylic over it, just to stop it from sticking. So can you imagine? So we're gonna use this one since I have it, and it's a nice size. So we'll see what happens. Let's go and try it. Well guys, it's done. What can we say other than wow? I think we just find another way to make something great. If you like cells, you're gonna fall in love with this kind of technique, because I'm telling you, cells are forming into cells and into cells and into cells. It's almost infinite. It's real nice, and you know what's nice about it is that there is some color, some cells that go over another color, which give it such a nice contrast. I think it's, well, I have to tell you, I think it's one of the nicest I made in a flip cup, a dirty flip cup. I think I can say easily that it's in my top 3 with all the hundreds of painting that I did make this way with a flip cup, with a dirty flip cup. I think it's the nicest, one of the nicest, at least, like I said, at least between the 3. Oh, that's so incredible what is forming. It's like a small universe. There's a cell, and there's a bigger cell around it, and another bigger one, and smaller cells all around it. Well, you can see it now, but it's such a nice way to go at it. So I'm very, very happy with the result. There's 2 reasons for it, you know. Just think about it. White glue costs a lot less than acrylic. So the fact that you can put 3/4 of white glue and 1/4 of acrylic, that's incredible. And it doesn't change the pigmentation of the color. So it stays nice, it stays bright. What can we say? I think it's a really nice way to go about it. So guys, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're gonna try it, because like we always say, it's hard to go wrong with dirty pouring, eh? But the only thing I'm not quite sure yet is when it's gonna dry. Are we gonna see what was underneath? Like I showed you, there was a bit of crackling on the old paint, which is underneath now. But I don't mind. Well, you know, if you mind crackling, if you don't like crackling, do it on a brand new canvas, that's for sure. But me, I don't hate it. I'm not sure if it's gonna match well with this one, but we'll never know. Well, you see it, I don't, but I'm sure it's going to be great. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.